Char water. In this chapter, we shall learn about the importance and uses of water. All living things need water to live on. We cannot live without water. Plants need water to make food. Animals need water for drinking and bathing. We need water to drink, to clean ourselves, to cook food, to wash our clothes and utensils. Rain is the main source of water. Rainwater collects in ponds, tanks, streams, and rivers. About 3/4 part of the earth is covered with water. Rainwater fills ponds, lakes, streams, rivers, and seas. Some rainwater goes deep into the ground. Groundwater fills up wells. People use hand pumps and tube wells to draw out groundwater. Water may be pure or impure. We must always drink clean water. Clean drinking water is tasteless, colorless, and odorless. Tap water is pure. In mountains, river water is fresh. We can drink it. Dirty, unclean water can make us ill. We can get diseases like jaundice and dysentery by using unclean water. We should boil and filter drinking water. Boiling the water for 20 minutes kills all germs present in water. Water is precious. We should never waste water. Always remember the following rules. 1. Do not allow drain water to flow into the river. 2. Avoid taking a bath direct from tap, but use can and mug. 3. Close taps soon after their use. 4. Educate people about the importance of clear water. Points to remember. 1. We cannot live without water. 2. Water is used for drinking, washing, bathing, and cooking. 3. Rain is the main source of water. 4. We get water from sources like rain, rivers, ponds, lakes, and wells.
इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। कृपया चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें।